Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we transform everyday spaces into extraordinary havens. Today, we're delving into a design trend that marries functionality with undeniable charm: the kitchen window garden ideas. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. This isn't just about placing a pot on your windowsill. It's about creating a vibrant, productive, and aesthetically pleasing extension of your kitchen. At its core, a kitchen window garden design refers to the deliberate cultivation of plants directly within or adjacent to a kitchen window. This can range from a simple collection of potted herbs on a windowsill to more intricate built-in shelving systems or even miniature hydroponic setups. The defining characteristic is its integration with the kitchen environment, leveraging the natural light and often the convenience of proximity for culinary or decorative purposes. Unlike a traditional outdoor garden, a kitchen window garden is a controlled microenvironment, allowing for year-round cultivation of certain plants, regardless of external weather conditions. It's a purposeful design choice that enhances both the utility and the aesthetic appeal of your kitchen. Beyond its visual appeal, what are the tangible benefits of integrating a kitchen window garden into your home? The advantages of a kitchen window garden extend far beyond mere decoration. Firstly, and perhaps most practically, it provides immediate access to fresh herbs and small produce. Imagine snipping fresh basil for your pasta, chives for your eggs, or mint for your tea, all directly from your windowsill. This not only elevates your culinary endeavors with superior freshness and flavor, but also reduces your reliance on store-bought, often pre-packaged herbs, leading to less waste. Secondly, these gardens contribute significantly to indoor air quality. Plants are natural air purifiers, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, while also filtering out common indoor toxins. This creates a healthier and more invigorating kitchen environment. Thirdly, there's a proven psychological benefit. The presence of greenery has been shown to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall well-being. A vibrant kitchen window garden can transform a utilitarian space into a calming and inspiring area. Finally, from an aesthetic standpoint, a well-designed kitchen window garden adds undeniable charm, character, and a touch of organic beauty to your home, increasing its visual appeal and potentially its value. Now that we understand the benefits, how do we design our kitchen window garden to truly look beautiful and be a focal point? Designing a truly beautiful kitchen window garden involves more than just selecting attractive plants. It requires thoughtful consideration of scale, symmetry, color, and texture. Begin by assessing your window's size and the amount of natural light it receives throughout the day. This will dictate the types of plants that will thrive and the kind of structures you can incorporate. Consider verticality. Tiered shelving, hanging planters, or even a living wall system can maximize space and create visual interest. Vary the heights of your plants and containers to avoid a flat, uninspired look. Group plants with similar light and watering needs together for easier maintenance and a more cohesive appearance. Don't overlook the containers themselves. Choose pots that complement your kitchen's existing decor, whether that's rustic terracotta, sleek ceramic, or minimalist metal. Finally, regular maintenance, pruning, cleaning leaves, and rotating plants for even growth is crucial for maintaining a lush and beautiful display. A healthy garden is inherently beautiful. With design principles in mind, what are the best plants to choose for a thriving and beautiful kitchen window garden? Selecting the right plants is paramount for the success and beauty of your kitchen. Window garden. The primary consideration should always be the amount of sunlight your window receives. These culinary staples are not only practical, but also offer diverse textures and fragrances. If your window is north-facing and receives very little direct light, focus on low-light tolerant options like microgreens, certain leafy greens like spinach or lettuce, or even ornamental plants such as pothos or ZZ plants, which, while not edible, can add a touch of lush greenery. Beyond light, think about the size and growth habit of the plant. Choose varieties that won't quickly outgrow their space or become unruly. Consider compact or dwarf varieties if space is limited. Finally, factor in your personal preferences and culinary habits. Select plants you'll actually use and enjoy, making your kitchen window garden both beautiful and functional. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here are 10 inspiring kitchen window garden design ideas that you can adapt for your own home. One, the classic herb haven. This timeless design focuses on functionality and fresh ingredients. Utilize matching terracotta pots or sleek ceramic. Containers arranged neatly on a wide windowsill. Plant a variety of your most frequently used herbs like basil, parsley, chives, and mint. The simplicity of this design allows the vibrant greenery and aromatic scents to be the main attraction. It's perfect for the culinary enthusiast who values immediate access to fresh flavors. 2. Tiered vertical display. Maximize vertical space, especially in smaller kitchens, with a tiered shelving unit specifically designed for windows. These can be freestanding or suspended from the top of the window frame. This allows you to grow a greater number of plants, from herbs to small flowering plants, creating a layered look that draws the eye upwards. 3. Hydroponic system integration. For the modern and efficient gardener, integrating a small, self-contained hydroponic system offers a sleek, soil-free solution. These systems often come with integrated grow lights, making them ideal for windows with less natural light. They are perfect for growing leafy greens, herbs, and even some small fruits like strawberries, offering rapid growth and a clean aesthetic. 4. Hanging planter cascade. Create a beautiful cascading effect by suspending a series of hanging planters at varying heights within the window frame. Use plants with trailing habits like pothos, string of pearls, or even vining herbs like oregano. This design adds softness and movement, creating a dynamic visual that can obscure an less than ideal view or simply add depth. 5. Miniature edible wall garden. Utilize pocket planters or small vertical garden modules that attach directly to the window frame or a nearby wall. This allows you to grow a variety of microgreens, small lettuces, or even edible flowers in a compact, organized fashion. It's a striking and highly productive design for those with limited horizontal space. 6. Curated succulent collection. While not culinary, a collection of diverse succulents in unique geometric planters can create a minimalist and low-maintenance kitchen window garden. Their varied shapes, textures, and subtle colors offer a sophisticated aesthetic that complements contemporary kitchen designs. They are also incredibly forgiving for those who are new to plant care. 7. Window box extension. If your kitchen window has an exterior ledge, consider extending your garden outwards with a charming window box. This allows for larger plants, small vegetables like cherry tomatoes or bell peppers, or even a mix of edible and ornamental flowers, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor gardening. 8. Thematic garden or Italian herbs. Choose a specific culinary theme for your window garden. For an Italian herb garden, focus on basil, oregano, rosemary, and thyme. For an Asian herb garden, include cilantro, mint, and Thai basil. This creates a cohesive and functional collection tailored to your cooking preferences. 9. Repurposed. Container display. Get creative with your containers. Repurpose old teacups, vintage tins, or even small glass jars to hold your plants. This adds a unique, quirky, and personal touch to your kitchen window garden, reflecting your individual style and promoting sustainability. Ensure proper drainage is added if not already present. (10) Illuminated night garden. Incorporate small LED grow lights or decorative fairy lights into your window garden design. This not only provides supplemental light for your plants, especially during shorter winter days, but also creates a magical and inviting ambiance in your kitchen during the evening hours, transforming it into a glowing focal point. There you have it, 10 distinct ways to bring the beauty and bounty of nature directly into your kitchen. A kitchen window garden is more than just a decorative element. It's an investment in your well-being, your culinary adventures, and the overall ambiance of your home. It's a daily reminder of growth, freshness, and the simple pleasures of connecting with nature. Start small, experiment with different plants, and don't be afraid to let your creativity flourish. The journey of cultivating your own green space right at your fingertips is incredibly rewarding. We at Garden Decor Designs are passionate about helping you create beautiful and functional spaces. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might be looking for kitchen inspiration, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more exciting home decor and gardening ideas. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below and tell us what kind of kitchen window garden you're dreaming of, or what plants you've successfully grown in your own kitchen. Until next time, happy gardening!